The moon. For millennia, it has been our guiding light, our constant cosmic companion, and a source of endless wonder. It has inspired poets, dreamers, and scientists alike, a silent witness to humanity's rise, our struggles, and our triumphs. Yet, beneath its familiar glow lies a world that is anything but ordinary. We think of the moon as a static, lifeless place, a barren desert of rock and dust. But what if it isn't as quiet and unchanging as we believe? Recent discoveries and mysterious phenomena suggest that the moon has been hiding secrets from us. Secrets that defy explanation and challenge everything we thought we knew. Imagine flashes of light appearing without warning, strange quakes that reverberate for hours, and anomalies in its surface and magnetic field that raise more questions than answers. These aren't just random events. They're clues, breadcrumbs left behind by a moon that might be far more complex and far more alive than we've ever dared to imagine. Could these phenomena be the result of natural processes, ones we have yet to fully understand? Or is there something far more mysterious at play? Something that could redefine our understanding of not just the moon, but our very place in the cosmos? Tonight, we'll take a deep dive into the mysteries of the moon. We'll explore the strange lights that flicker on its surface, the unexplained seismic activity, and the bizarre surface anomalies that leave even seasoned scientists scratching their heads. What's really going on up there? And why does it feel like the moon is trying to tell us something? Get ready to see our closest celestial neighbor in a whole new light as we uncover the mysteries that might change everything we thought we knew about our moon, and perhaps even our universe. Let's begin with one of the most perplexing mysteries of the moon: flashes of light that appear seemingly out of nowhere. Known as transient lunar phenomena, or TLPs, these bursts of light have been observed for centuries, yet no one has been able to fully explain them. Picture this. You're peering through a telescope at the moon's surface, and suddenly, you see a brief but vivid flash of light. It's not the reflection of sunlight, nor is it a meteor streaking across the sky. It's something else entirely. What's causing these strange lights? One possibility is meteor impacts. When a meteor strikes the moon, it releases an enormous amount of energy, creating a bright flash visible from Earth. But here's the twist. Many of these flashes occur without any recorded impact event. They seem to happen randomly, sometimes in specific patterns, as though the moon itself is sending a signal. Another theory involves the release of gases trapped beneath the moon's crust. These gases could be escaping through fissures, reflecting sunlight and creating the illusion of a flash. But the moon's atmosphere is so thin, this explanation doesn't quite hold up. And then there's the most tantalizing theory of all. Could these flashes be artificial? Could they be signs of advanced technology, remnants of ancient activity, or even attempts at communication from an unknown source? The idea might sound far-fetched, but as we'll see, the moon holds more surprises than we ever imagined. Now, let's turn to a phenomenon that's even more perplexing: moonquakes. Yes, you heard that right. Despite being geologically dead compared to Earth, the moon experiences seismic activity, and some of it is downright bizarre. Earthquakes are caused by the movement of tectonic plates, but the moon has no such plates. So what's causing these quakes? Scientists have identified 4 types of moonquakes: thermal quakes, caused by the moon expanding and contracting as it heats and cools; gravitational quakes, triggered by Earth's pull; impact quakes, caused by meteors; and the most mysterious of all, shallow quakes. Shallow moonquakes are rare but incredibly powerful, releasing enough energy to shake the moon for up to 10 minutes. These quakes are so strange that NASA's Apollo astronauts nicknamed the moon a ringing bell after seismometers recorded the phenomenon. But what's causing them? Could the moon's interior still be active in ways we don't understand? Some researchers suggest these quakes could be caused by the moon's gradual cooling and shrinking. Others believe they might hint at hollow structures beneath the surface, vast caverns that could one day serve as habitats for human colonists. If these structures exist, they could hold vital resources like water ice or even clues to the moon's mysterious past. And yet, the possibility remains that we're missing something entirely. Could there be forces at work beneath the moon's surface that we've yet to discover? And what might those forces mean for the future of lunar exploration? As if flashes of light and moonquakes weren't enough, the moon's surface itself is riddled with mysteries. Thanks to modern lunar missions, we've identified regions of the moon that defy explanation, places where the rules of science seem to bend and twist. Take the moon's far side, for example. Unlike the near side, which is relatively smooth, the far side is a rugged landscape of craters and towering mountains. It's also home to unexpected minerals and unusual rock formations. What caused such stark differences between the two sides? Could they be evidence of a violent past, perhaps a colossal collision that reshaped the moon? Then there are the localized magnetic fields, pockets of magnetism scattered across the moon's surface. Unlike Earth, the moon doesn't have a global magnetic field. So where are these magnetic hotspots coming from? Are they remnants of an ancient core or signs of something more? One of the most exciting discoveries comes from lunar poles, where scientists have found evidence of water ice hidden in shadowy craters. Could these deposits be the key to sustaining future human colonies? Or do they hint at a time when the moon might have been more hospitable than it is today? Every new discovery raises more questions than answers, each one a piece of a puzzle that seems to grow more complex with every turn. So what do all these strange phenomena mean? Are they simply the result of natural processes we don't yet fully understand? Or could they point to something far more profound? Some scientists believe these events are remnants of the moon's ancient history, a record of its violent past and slow evolution. Others suggest they might hint at hidden structures or resources beneath the surface, waiting to be uncovered. And then there are the more provocative ideas. Could the moon be an artifact of advanced technology, a celestial observatory, or even a waypoint for extraterrestrial civilizations? While these theories remain speculative, they remind us of just how little we truly know about our closest cosmic neighbor. The moon has always been a source of wonder and mystery, a beacon in the night sky that reminds us of the vastness of the cosmos. But as we uncover more about its secrets, it becomes clear that the moon is far more than a passive observer. It's a dynamic, complex world with a story that's still unfolding. What's really happening on the moon? Are these phenomena clues to its hidden past, its complex present, or its potential future role in human exploration? Whatever the answer, one thing is certain: the moon still has so much to teach us. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, the moon isn't just a silent companion. It's a cosmic mystery waiting to be unraveled. What do you think is happening up there? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible cosmic discoveries. Until next time, keep looking up. The universe is full of surprises.